Hello guys, welcome to the kitchen. I know that there's a lot of people out there who really like the idea of curing their own bacon. Some people will want to do it from scratch, making up the curing salts themselves. But there are those who maybe you want to introduce to bacon curing. And if you do, we've got the perfect product for you. It's a bacon curing kit and it's available on our website, coldsmoking.co.uk. Here's a video I made a few years ago showing you exactly how to do it. I hope you enjoy. Introducing the bacon curing kit from coldsmoking.co.uk. Cure your own bacon in your home in just 7 days. The kit comes complete with a plain bacon cure and a sweet herb bacon cure. Full instructions, curing bags, curing labels, everything you need, just add the meat. Now, you need to weigh out the salt, and it's 30 grams per kilogram of meat for the plain cure and 50 grams per kilogram of meat for the sweet cure. And in this example, we're using a piece of loin. This will create beautiful back bacon. If you want to use belly, you can. Now we put the cut of bacon that we're going to use, or a cut of pork that we're going to use, into the curing bag, and to it we add the salt that we weighed out. And the idea behind this is that we keep everything in the bag and prevent a lot of mess elsewhere. So we literally use the bag as a means of getting the salt onto the meat. Now, we want to add about 20% of the salt onto the skin side and the remainder of the salt onto the sides and the flesh of the meat. Seal up the bag, and then it's ready to label. And we want to write out a label so that we know what day it goes into the fridge, the weight of the meat, the target cure date. And we cure for 1 day for every 13 millimeters or half an inch of thickness, plus 2 days. That's all labelled up, ready to go into the fridge. And we'll turn this every day and overhaul it. And here's the meat after it's been cured. You can see there's a pool of brine in the base, and the meat's firmed up really nicely. So now to rinse off. And then pat dry. And once the meat is dry, we'll pop this onto a rack and we'll place it in the fridge for 24 hours to dry. And if you want to smoke the bacon after that 24 hours, then that's the time to do it. But you're literally ready to eat the bacon now. And we're just cutting some slices by hand, but if you have a slicer, then you can use that. And so that you get a really good, cleanly defined cut, it's always a good idea to freeze the bacon before you slice it. And there you go. No scum in that pan, just lovely rendered fat. Absolutely delicious. And like I said in the early part, you can use belly if you wish to. We sometimes cure with the addition, instead of sugar, of black treacle. And that's how it looks when it's all packed. there you go, the bacon curing kit from coldsmoking.co.uk. Well, there you go. I think you'll agree that is a really easy method for making your own bacon. If you want to introduce someone to bacon curing who you think might enjoy that as a present or a gift, then go onto our website, coldsmoking.co.uk, and order one for them. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. You never know, you may even get a chance to eat some of the bacon yourself.